Hi student, my name is Professor Prakash Vasankar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve multiple choice questions on one unit and name of the unit is differential equation in mathematics part second. We solve all multiple choice questions by using the shortcuts method or some tricks in mathematics. First multiple choice question is solution of the differential equation y into dx plus x square y into dy equals to 0 is option A, log y is equals to cx, where c is integrating constant. Option B, minus 1 by xy plus log y is equals to c. Option C, 1 by xy plus log y is equals to c. Option D, minus 1 by xy is equals to c. In this multiple choice, one differential equation is given. And here we find the solutions of the differential equation. And we know that the method of solutions of differential equation, first method is variable separable method, or the given equations, we convert the given equations into linear differential equations. And then with the help of the integrating factor, we find the required solutions of the differential equations. So here, the given differential equation is y into dx plus x square y into dy equals to 0. So we solve these differential equations. From these equations, if we observe these differential equations, and from these differential equations, it is clear that first we convert these differential equations into linear differential equation. That is here dx by dy which is equals to px which is equals to q in this format. So here y into dx plus x square y into dy equals to 0. This can be written as y into dx is equals to minus x plus x square y into dy. Then here divided both sides by y. Then in LHS y get cancelled. Then here dx upon this dy which is equals to minus here x by y minus x square by y. Then my get cancelled. So we get here this type of differential equation, that is dx upon dy which is equals to minus x by y minus x square. Again we repeat this. This is the given differential equations and we solve these differential equations. So first we convert this differential equation into linear differential equation. And for this, here this can be written as y into dx which is equals to minus, here equals to sign, which is equals to minus x plus x square y into dy. Then divided both sides by y. So we get dx upon here dy which is equals to here minus x plus x square y upon y. Then we get here after multiplications of minus sign minus x by y minus x square by y get cancelled, so minus x square. So we get here this step, that is dx by dy which is equals to minus x by y minus x square. Up to this step we solve here orally. Again, these differential equations can be written as dx by dy plus x by y which is equals to minus x square. Then here divided both sides by x square or multiply both sides by x to the power minus 2 or multiply both sides by x to the power minus 2 for converting, that is dx by dy plus here py which is equals to q. We convert this in this form. So here for this we divided both sides by x square or multiply both sides by x to the power minus 2. So here x to the power minus 2 into dx by dy. Here multiply this step both sides by x to the power minus 2 or divided both sides by x square. So here 1 by x square by using indices rule 1 by x square can be written as x to the power minus 2 into dx plus here 1 by x square, then 1 x get cancelled, so 1 by xy, which is equals to minus x square upon x square, so we get here minus 1. So here 1 by xy, this x can be written as also x to the power minus 1. Therefore here we get this step after multiplying both sides by x to the power minus 2, here dx into x to the power minus 2, so we get x to the power minus 2 into dx. Next, here again multiplied by x to the power minus 2. So x to the power minus 2 into x to the power minus 1 into 1 by y. So here we write x to the power minus 1 into 1 by y, which is equals to here minus x square into x to the power minus 2 by using the indices rule a to the power m into a to the power n, a to the power m plus n. Similarly here x to the power minus x to the power 2 minus 2, x to the power 0 and x to the power 0, that is 1. So here we write minus 1. And then we use here for conversions of this differential equation in linear form, we use here substitution method. Put x to the power minus 1, which is equals to p. Then here differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to here y, because here we find dx by dy. So differentiate both sides with respect to y. So we get here minus here we use d by dy of x to the power minus y. So we use the formula d dx of x to the power n x to the power n minus 1. Similarly minus 1 x to the power minus 1 minus 1 x to the power minus 2 into derivative of x, that is dx by dy, is equals to dt by dy, because here we use here d by dy of x to the power minus 1. So we use here formula d by dy of f of x to the power n f of x to the power n minus 1 into f dash of x. Similarly here d by dy of x to the power minus 1 means here minus sign, x to the power minus 1 minus 2 into derivative of x, that is differentiate x with respect to y. Remember that. So dx by dy, which is equals to dt by dy, and this is our ELHS, that is x to the power minus 2 dx by dy, this side, this term, that is x to the power minus 2 dx by dy, which is equals to minus dt. So here we put minus dt. X to the power minus 1 is equals to t. Then we get here minus dt by dy plus here t into 1 by y, which is equals to minus 1. So here we get here minus dt by dy plus t into 1 by y, which is equals to minus 1. Again here multiply both sides by negative sign. Then here negative negative positive dt by dy, positive negative negative 1 by y into t, negative negative positive, so 1. And this is a linear differential equations. This is of the type that is dx by dy minus plus here dx by dy plus px, which is equals to q. So first we find here integrating factor, and here if is equals to e to the power integrations minus 1 by y. So we use this and find out here the integrating factor if, which is equals to e to the power integrations coefficient of middle term minus 1 by y into dy. Therefore, here which is equals to e to the power this minus sign as it is. Integrations of 1 by y into dy, that is log y. Then we use here again log m to the power n, logarithmic rule, log m to the power n, n log m. Similarly, minus log y can be written as log y to the power minus 1. And again, by now that one rule in logarithm, e to the power log x is equals to x. Similarly, e to the power log y to the power minus 1 is equals to y to the power minus 1. Again, we repeat this. First, we use here log m raised to n. Then we get log y to the power minus 1. So, e to the power log y to the power minus 1 is equals to y to the power minus 1 by using the rule e to the power log x is equals to x. Therefore, the solutions of the differential, given differential equation is t here, t into if, and if is y to the power minus 1. So, right here t into y to the power minus 1, which is equals to integrations here. If is y to the power minus 1 into q, but here q is 1. Here q is 1. Here q is 1. So, we write here t into y to the power minus 1, which is equals to integrations if y to the power minus 1 into q, but q is equals to 1. So 1 here into dy plus c. Therefore, this can be written as here t. We know that here t is equals to x to the power minus 1. Therefore, t is equals to 1 by x by using the indices rule. A to the power minus 1, 1 by a. Here t is equals to x to the power minus 1. Therefore, t is equals to 1 by x. So, right here t is equals to 1 by x into y to the power minus 1. Here y to the power minus 1. Again, we use indices of 1 by y. So, we write here 1 by y, which is equals to, find out here, integrations. Integrations of y to the power minus 1 into dy. This can be written as integrations of, use here indices rule, 1 by y into dy. And 1 by y is the derivative of the functions log y. So we write here log y plus integrating constant c. Therefore, here this can be again written as log y, which is equals to 1 into 1, 1 x into y, xy minus 1 by xy is equals to c. Therefore, here, the solutions of the given differential equation is log y is equals to minus 1 by xy, which is equals to c. B is the correct option. That is here minus 1 by xy plus log y, which is equals to c. And this is the solutions of the given differential equation. Therefore, here B is the correct option. Dear student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Next, multiple choice questions. Again, we solve one multiple choice questions. The differential equation whose solution is ax square plus by square equals to 1, where a and b are arbitrary constant, is of option A, second order and second degree, option B, first order and second degree, option C, first order and first degree, option D, second order and first degree. That is here. One equation is given. One equation is given. And this equation, that is ax square plus by square equals to 1, contain two arbitrary constant, capital A and capital B. So here, we first eliminate the arbitrary constant and to form the differential equations. And then we get here the required answer of the multiple choice questions. So here first we write these differential equations. And these differential equations contain two arbitrary constants. So for finding the solutions of these equations, difference we find here the first order derivative and second order derivative of these equations. So first we find here first order derivative and then we find here the second order derivative because this equation contain two arbitrary constant. So here we find the second order derivative. So first we find here first order derivative. This is the given differential equation ax square plus by square equals to 1. Sorry, this is the given equation. And we find here the differential equations by eliminating the arbitrary constant. So first here, differentiate both sides with respect to dx and find out the first order derivative. A constant a as it is, derivative of x square 2x here, plus here b constant b as it is, derivative of y square, that is differentiate y square with respect to dx, 2y into dy by dx, here 2 be a constant y into dy by dx, which is equals to derivative of 1, that is 0, and then divided both sides by 2. So we get here ax plus by into dy by dx, which is equals to 0. So this is equation number first, this is equation number second. Then again differentiate these equations, that is equation second with respect to x, and find out the second order derivative. Here ddx of ax, we use here ddx of nx is equals to n. Similarly ddx of ax capital E plus here b constant and derivative of product of two functions, that is a dy of y into dy by dx, b constant and derivative of product of two functions. So we use here product rule. First order we use here product rule, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So first function y into derivative of second function d2y by dx square and multiply by constant term here b, plus here again second function dy by dx into derivative of first function again dy by dx. So dy by dx into dy by dx, that is dy by dx whole square into constant term. So b into dy by dx whole square, which is equals to 0. And from this equation number third, we find the value of the arbitrary constant a and put these values in these equations. That is here we put a is equals to minus by, we find here a, and e equals to minus by d2y by dx square minus b dy by dx whole square, putting the value of e here, then we get here this, that is x as it is, this is the value of e minus by d2y by dx square minus b dy by dx whole square plus by into dy by dx equals to 0. That is, again I repeat this, here we put the value of e and we find a from these equations, from equation number third. So from these equations here, a equals to minus b by d2y by dx square minus b dy by dx whole square and put a here. So x as it is in bracket minus b by d2y by dx square plus b dy by dx whole square plus by into dy by dx equals to 0. So we get this thing here. Then here divided both sides by b. Then b eliminate. Then again b eliminate and we get the required differential solutions. And from this differential equations we write degree and order. So here we get xy into d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx whole square minus y dy by dx, which is equals to 0. That is in these equations here divided both sides by b, then db, here b cancel, here b cancel, here b cancel and 0 by b, so we get 0. That is here b is eliminate. Then here x into minus y minus xy into d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx whole square plus by into dy by dx. So we get here this. Then this is This is the second order differential equations. That is, here order is 2 and degree is 1. Therefore, here order is 2, second order and degree is 1. Second order and first degree. So D is the correct option. So in this way, we solve the second multiple choice questions on differential equations. Again, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Next multiple choice questions. Again, we solve one multiple choice questions. If x into dy by dx, which is equals to y in bracket log y minus log x plus 1, then the solutions of the equation is option A, y log x by y is equals to cx. Option B, x log y by x is equals to cy. Option C, log y by x is equals to cx. Option D, log x by y is equals to cy. So in these multiple choice questions, here we solve the differential equation. And one differential equation is given. So x into dy by dx, which is equals to y in bracket log minus log x plus 1. So this differential equations can be written as here divided both sides by x. Then in LHS x is cancelled, so dy by dx, which is equals to here y by x log y minus log x plus 1. So we get here this state dy by dx is equals to y by x log y by x plus 1. And this is a homogeneous differential equations. And by solve the homogeneous differential equations by using the substitution, put y by x is equals to v or y is equals to vx. So we put here y is equals to vx, differentiate both sides with respect to 2x. So dy by dx is equals to here derivative of product of two function. Again we use here the product rule, first function into derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. So first function here v plus derivative of second function ddx of x, that is 1. So 1 into v plus second function x into derivative of first function dv by dx. That is here dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx and y is equals to vx. We put this in this differential equations. After putting this, we get here dy by dx, but dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx, v plus x into dv by dx, which is equals to here y is equals to vx. Therefore, y by x is equals to v. So right here y by x is equals to v. So we write here v. In bracket, here we use the formula log y minus log x. So we use log m minus log n, log m by n. So log y by x. And again y by x is equals to v. So we get here log v. Again we repeat this. Log y minus log x. We use here log m minus log n, log m by n. Similarly log y by x and y by x is equals to v. Means here we get log v plus 1. So here we write log v, here log v, so log v plus 1. Then multiply by v into log v plus v into 1 v, then v get cancelled, v get cancelled. So we get here x into dv by dx is equals to v log v. So we write here x into dv by dx, which is equals to v log v. And here we use the variable separable form. So this can be written as dv upon v log v, dv upon v log v, which is equals to dx upon x. And here in LHS, the terms of v are present. In LHS, the variable x is present. Therefore, here variable are separable. And whenever that if variable are separable, then integrating both sides, we get the solutions of the required differential equations. So here variable are separable, therefore integrating both sides, So integrations of dv upon v log v, which is equals to integration dx upon x. So first we evaluate here left hand side integrations and then we evaluate right hand side integrations. So here integration dv upon v into log v. Again we use here substitutions method. Put log v is equals to t because the derivative of log v is 1 by v. So here if we put log v is equals to t, then 1 by v into dv is equals to dt. So 1 by v into dv which is equals to dt. So this is of the type here dt upon t, integration dt upon t, and integrations of 1 by t into dt, that is log t. Therefore here integrations of LHS is log t. So we write here integrations of LHS log is equals to, then we find here the integrations of RHS, integration dx upon x log x plus integrating constant c. So here both sides contain log, so right here the integrating constant log c. So plus we write here log c. Again we repeat here LHS. Here dv upon v log v which is equals to dx upon x. Here dv upon v log v which is equals to dx upon x. Here variable are separable. Therefore integrating both sides. And here derivative of log v is present 1 by v. So we put log v is equals to t. Log v is equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to v. So 1 by v into dv is equals to dt. So dt upon t, integration dt upon t, and integration 1 by t into dt, that is log t, equals to here log x plus integrating constant log c. We get this step log t which is equals to log x plus log c. Then here log t as it is which is equals to log m plus log n, log m into n, log x into c. Log get cancelled, so t is equals to xc. So here t is equals to xc or cx. And then here by put t is equals to log v. So again by put here t is equals to log v. Log v is equals to cx. But v is equals to y by x. Because we put y is equals to vx. Therefore v is equals to y by x. So log y by x which is equals to cx. And this is the required solutions of the differential equation. That differential equations is this. We find the solutions of these differential equations, and solution is here, solution is log y by x which is equals to cx, log y by x which is equals to cx. Therefore here correct option is log y by x is equals to cx. So c is the correct option. In this way we solve the third multiple choice question using shortcuts method, or we eliminate some step, or we solve some step orally. So again, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thanks.